Using a sequence from the mobile app is easy. When a lead comes in, simply claim the lead. And at the bottom of the lead card, you'll notice that in addition to the text, phone, and email icons that you're familiar with, there's a new icon with a gear in the middle of it. This is the sequence icon. Simply press that and it will bring you to a list of all of the available sequences that you can use with that lead. Hit add. It will ask you to confirm, and it's as simple as that. Now that sequence has been started, and if we close the lead card and go back into our contacts database and look at Vivian's contact record, you simply hit the sequence button, and you can see that the initial claim email and text sequence was started on March 3rd at 4:08 p.m. If we open that up, it gives me the list of the sequence events, and if I open each of the events, I can preview the exact message that has gone out to Vivian. Once again, sequences are designed to help automate your follow-up process and help you to convert more leads into sales. If you have any questions on using sequences with the mobile app, please reach out to us at support@connectnowinc.com or visit our webpage, www.connectnowinc.com, and look for our support page where we have a number of videos and articles that deal with using and building sequences.